I'm here today to learn how to become a grown man.
Embody is a program that our national organization formed several years ago to empower young men to be independent. We wanted to target 6th through 9th graders for this program. We've partnered with several other Greek organizations to help us today with this activity.
There's going to be obstacles and that you just have to get back up when you get knocked down.
Sometimes you would doubt yourself on things, if things are possible for you to even accomplish, but just keep fighting and you're going to accomplish it, because you can accomplish anything that you put your mind to.
You got to be consistent in what you do. You can't just put it off to the side. You got to keep going at it once a day, twice a day, no matter how many times it takes.
I had no idea I was going to learn how to tie a tie. It was amazing to be able to have that experience that I couldn't get just anywhere else.
Exposure to things like this, it really helped a young man to become better and have a successful career in something in the future.
After I leave this place, I'm like, yeah, I got this. Take it over.